Hi everyone, I'm Sharon from Multi-Suite. Today I will introduce our Dadant Beehive to you. For Dadant Beehive, it is used in Europe and there are many different styles. Some beekeepers like 12 frames for Dadant Beehive and some beekeepers like 10 frames Dadant Beehive. Now, I will introduce our 2 layers 10 frames Dadant Beehive to you. For our Dadant Beehive, it includes top cover with mantle, inner cover inside, super box, bottom board, and entrance. As you can see, our dovetail joint, it is made very perfectly. According to beekeepers' requirement, we can offer different materials for temper, such as China fir or New Zealand pine or etc. And for the beehive, the thickness is 24 millimeters, and for the super box, the length is 50 centimeters, and the width is 43 centimeters, and the height is 17 centimeters. For the bottom box, the length and the width is same with super box, but the height is different, and it is 31 centimeters. For one complete set of Dadant Beehive, including 20 pieces wooden frames and foundation sheet. For foundation sheet, we can offer plastic foundation sheet or wax foundation sheets, and including one queen excluder. If you want to customize the Dadant Beehive, such as wax dipping, branding, or painting, no problem to offer by us. Finally, if you want to get more information about Dadant Beehive, please leave message to us. We will wait for you always. Thanks for your time. See you.